Hi guys, Knife Detector here, and this is going to be a real brief short video on this knife that I'm going to put up for sale. This knife was with me probably in the 90s and carried this with me a lot, served me well. This is an old timer. It is a Schrade old timer USA 470T. And one of the things I like about this knife, this is back when liner locks were first starting to get popular. So this is not a flipper, but it does have an ample thumb stud here made of plastic for you to open it up. Just like that. The blade is not made with very thick steel. However, it functions very well. And because of the rubber grip, you can really get a good grip on this knife. Now, those of you that collect knives probably have seen these before. And you've often wondered about them. Well, I'm going to put this up for sale pretty cheap. I'm going to put this up for $9.99 and plus shipping, maybe $6 shipping. So I'm going to be putting that up probably tonight, and let's see what happens. Trying to make some room in my toolbox, guys, because I've come across some nice choice knives lately, some vintage knives that I think that you're going to love seeing videos on. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I like to make videos on knives that are vintage or maybe unique or lesser known that are still very useful and can make good companions for you on the trail or in your pocket, EDC. So check out my videos if you're barely tuning into my channel. You might like what you see. You might find out that you'll see a knife in my videos that you have in your own special toolbox where you keep your knives. So this, again, was a very good companion for me. I'm going to let this guy go. He still works very, very well. He's a little dirty. Could use some cleaning. The rubber grip handle still feels really good in the hand, as you can see. This is not a small knife. This is a big knife, but it's pretty light, so where you can carry it. It's going to come with this old-timer Schrade sheath for you to carry it in. Some heavy-duty nylon. It's not that thin nylon. It's the heavy-duty kind that'll last you a long time. All right, guys, just a real short video. I'm going to make another video also coming up pretty soon. It's going to be on a vintage knife lot that I'm going to put up for sale. It's just a few knives, not too many, but you might see something there you like, and it'll be reasonably cheap. So until then, this is Knife Detector saying, stay sharp, guys. God bless. Enjoy the rest of the week with your family. Take care.